Hello, welcome back to the channel. This is Auto 240 O2 sensor testing with Peyton and Christian. Up first, a 99 Jeep Grand Cherokee.
So here I'm working on a 1999 Jeep Grand Cherokee, and we were looking for the O2 sensors. I was able to find the upstream O2 sensor right here, and then a little further down after the cat we have the downstream O2 sensor. So here I back probed the upstream O2 sensor, and I was testing for resistance. Here it's saying that we have 4 ohms of resistance right now, which is in check. So here we have the top done. We're looking at the codes. We have a leak detection pump solenoid circuit code, map sensor voltage too high, and then we have a couple O2 codes. The heater relay is malfunctioning. There's a short to voltage on one of the O2 sensors. The second O2 sensor has another short to voltage. So here we can see on the top done, I have it scanned in. I have the data stream going. Here on idle, you can see how the voltage is going to go up and down as the PCM tries to adjust for rich or lean conditions. But then as you start to give it gas, you'll see it drop down and jump up, adjusting for all the different times that it goes lean or rich. Here we have the description for the oxygen sensor. The sensor will produce 0 to 1 volts depending on the oxygen content that is in the exhaust. Pretty much that just means that whenever there is a rich air fuel mixture, it will produce a high voltage, and then whenever there is a lean air fuel mixture, it will produce a low voltage. And once it is in closed loop, the PCM will detect those voltage changes and program the fuel injectors however needed. And here we have the diagram.
Alright, so just thought I'd throw this in here as a bonus. Right now we're looking at the C7Z06, and we are able to locate all 4 O2 sensors and also read the PIDs. And it is the same on the next vehicle, the CT5V. Fortunately, we got to work with both of them, 2 of my favorite vehicles in fleet, and read the PIDs.
Alright, we got the C7 in the air, and we're gonna go under it and take a look at these O2 sensors. So first up, we got upstream right there. All these have 4 wires. Let's see if I can get a better view. Right there, there's one. And then downstream on this bank is right here. They also have 4 wires. And then moving over to the other bank, the upstream right there, and then downstream right there. All right, so now we are in the vehicle, idling, looking at our PIDs. So we have sensor 1 bank 1, sensor 1 bank 2, sensor 2 bank 1, and sensor 2 bank 2 all on here. And on sensor 2 bank 2, we're running 0.775 volts, and on sensor 1 bank 2, we're running 0.77, or well, it's bouncing around 0.77, 0.76, around there. And then on the first bank sensors, they are bouncing from low to high pretty much all the time. So now we're going to hold it at roughly 3,000 RPM, see what happens. As you can see, pretty much all the sensors were bouncing around in voltage.
I also thought I'd throw this in there. This is a shot of the vehicle being in closed loop and all 4 sensors reading properly. And next, moving on to the CT5V.
Now we are here with the Cadillac CT5V, and I was doing some looking for the O2 sensors. And if we take a peek down here, see if we'll get in focus. There's one of them right there on the driver's side, and the other one is right there in the middle of the screen. See if I can get that in focus right there.